Okay, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to use Google Maps in your Traffic Factory campaigns, and we're going to do it without an API. All we're going to do is insert some HTML into the content of your project, and then we're going to modify it using tokens to generate the map that we want for our location. So to start, let me show you. I'm using files from the geolocations that you were provided with when you bought the product, and I'm using the state files from the jobs directory. And as you may remember, the state files, in this case we're using Illinois. The state files have 4 separate files within them, each with its own token. We have city.txt, state.txt, state shortcode.txt, and zipcode.txt. We're going to use 3 of the 4 of them. You can switch back and forth between state and state short. State short is just a 2-character abbreviation for state name. For example, IL for Illinois. So we've loaded these text files into our input directory. You'll see them here: city, state, and zip. You'll also notice that there's a lot more files in this Warts project than in the Done For You Warts project that you got with the product. I'll be going over all of these different things in different videos, such as the titles and some other things that we've got here as we move along with some additional little training videos. So this is just the first one. So we're going to use Illinois. It's already loaded up and ready to go. I want to show you what the code looks like, and this code, the code that you need, I will make sure that you have it at the end of the video. Okay, so in order to see what's really going on, we're going to switch over to HTML. And if you look here, there is an iframe for Google Maps. And we have generated the query itself and inserted here the city, text, and state shortcode text. Now, sorry if this is hard to read. I can't make it any larger, unfortunately, with this editor. But you will have it in front of you so that you can make it as big as you want. When I give you this piece of code, this is the only piece of code you need. And then you could run all 50 states without making a change here. You can also change this to any of the other geolocation codes that you've been given, US and international, to generate the maps. So some other things that you'll notice here is that we've got a little bit different images code, and we've added in into this project a little thing called random lines, and we'll go over those in subsequent videos. You'll also see that I've got some outbound links to Wikipedia down here, just to provide some authority outbound links. We'll go over that in more depth in future videos as well. For right now, I want to show you the results of this, and so we'll close this and we come back over here. You'll see that our structure is that we've got 2 categories, and for our tags we're using city, text, and the keyword token. So I believe we've only got about 100 keywords in here, so it's going to generate a small project very quickly. In the markup, we still have our extra content, same as you were provided with in the project that we distributed with the product. Our redirect is off, and we're going to start this and run it into our dummy uploader so that you can see the results and see the maps. And Like I said, that's all there was to it, just a couple hundred pages that we generated here. So that's in our output directory, and we'll go into one of our categories and just grab one of the content pages, and you'll see down here that, and we're working of course with our good old WORTS project, and we've got Joliet, Illinois in this map. Okay, so adding maps is that simple, and no API required. You just use the tokens to generate your geolocation and add those tokens to the map code, the iframe that we gave you. That's it. 6 minutes. Nice quick little video. Questions, of course, ask any questions you want in the Traffic Factory groups. If you're not in the Traffic Factory groups, you may not even see the video, but it will be added to the training document as well as soon as it renders. So have a great day, ask questions, and experiment. Remember, you can't break anything, and you can always upload to the dummy uploader, so you can take a look at your results before you decide to deploy your projects to the cloud or to a live website or blog. Thank you again. Have a great day.